Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is not the morning class, this is the afternoon class of January 16th. This is the fourth period. Thank you again for coming twice on a Friday. Let's see. I want to do something a little bit different because, this is your second class today, and I want to do something different for you. But first, let's go over the assignments that you have now from here. You have the homework submission. And this, I believe, will be your last homework submission for the semester. This is chapter 13. This will be due in 4 days on January 20th. You already know what to do, so just go ahead, do the homework, take the picture, send it up to Moodle. The cruise semester survey is a little bit different. This is something that I do once a semester. Pardon me. And this is not for points or anything, but this helps me know what you're thinking or how you feel about the class. Now, in this semester survey, I don't know which student wrote whatever. So when you're answering these questions, there are only two questions, okay? And I even put in the Japanese so you completely understand. I just want to ask you, what did you like about the class? And the other question, what do you think you want me to change? Now, I would like it if you answered in English, but if you really feel that answering in Japanese will make it easier for you to really communicate what you're thinking, feel free to write it in Japanese. Only two questions, and just write whatever you think you're feeling because I don't know who answers any of these questions. Okay, that's the cruise semester survey. And then last one is your reflection. This one is on vaccines. Again, watch the video, answer the question, write your answer, and send it up to Moodle. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about anything, you can always come and talk to me about it, or send me an email at jdmcruise@gmail.com. Okay, have a good class, everyone.